Oh, hey guys. Welcome to a new episode of MISTA Big. We haven't posted in a long time, so we wanted to make a new video.
What are you doing?
Washing the floor right now.
Yeah, washing floors. This is our weekly routine, or twice a week now. Since it's basically week of what, 3 days before Christmas for. So we're cleaning up the garage, doing some laundry, getting everything organized, making sure everything's, here are the lights, making sure everything's good. We're gonna have guests over, just getting ready for the holidays. Yeah, we haven't made a video in a while, but we got a lot of stuff going on right now. A lot of projects.
That's why we haven't posted.
Yeah, but just been busy and just trying to figure out some cars and working a lot. So yeah, that's the office. He's cleaning right now. You guys want to see it? Noah just jumped up and hurt his eye, like right there. Look at that, look at that. He just hit a wall accidentally. He spaced out for...
No, not spaced out. I just blacked out for like a straight 5 or 6 seconds.
Blacked out, so he got hurt pretty bad, but
what's happening? He's
good, he's okay, he's safe. We don't care about the wall as long as you're good and you don't have any brain damage. Yeah, he made a huge dent. Like,
I'll show you guys later, but
he'll go and film without me. But yeah, we're cleaning up and just taking care of some stuff in the garage. So this here is a customer's car. It's a 2022 Honda Pilot we're working on. Basically was hit in the back a little bit right here. We got, it's just a quick update, I guess. I didn't show it, but just wanted to show you guys one of our projects. So we got parts by color. It was original parts, OEM. We got it was the lid that was damaged. We got a new one, or old or used, but OEM. And then the bumper, from same car. So all we did was just pull it a little bit. If you can see here, like there was like a little ding right here. It was not even, or like right there. They straightened out just a little tiny bit, but frame was not touched. We did replace the bar that's underneath, the reinforcement, and we're putting it together. As you can see, all the parts right here. Basically, removed this, the plastics. He sprayed, went over here on this, all the way on the door because it was like a blend. There was some scratches on it, but the front end is good. This is a 2022 Pilot, and this is a premium, I guess, or premier, or whatever they call it. As soon as something happens, it just shuts down. You have to be careful with the battery, make sure that it's fully charged, because it starts beeping, all the sensors start malfunctioning, and you have to make sure that the battery is full. You don't want to mess with that. But the car is nice inside, really nice. Just remove the seat because we had to do the airbag and then the panel. But other than that, it's still dirty, still gonna get a detail after everything. Rims are pretty good, blacked out, and they're alloy wheels. They're just, I guess, premium. Comes with the black rims. So that's what we're working on right now. This is our camper storage here. These are the old parts from the Honda. The bumper, it was twisted because we were storing it underneath. And then so the seat over there, the plastic bed reinforcement. So it wasn't too much of a damage on this thing. We inspect his labor.
Yeah, sometimes I don't.
Why is it wet?
Guys,
it's wet, buddy.
Wash the floor.
I know it's soaked. Why is it soaked?
Oh, because I forgot to squeeze it out and I accidentally started wiping.
I know, but
and I noticed. Yes, I know.
Here, let's fix this.
Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how I bumped my head upstairs and how I dented the wall over here. See that little trees over there, the black ice? So I basically try to touch my head with it, and like header kind of. And basically I touched it like this, and when I went down, my head slammed right here. And this is what happened. Look, this is the dent in here. I blacked out for like 3 seconds, but I'm fine now, so got a little scar. But just want to let you guys know this is the game room. And here is my table right here. Put some snacks on here. The 2 chairs for chilling out and putting your feet on. The other nightstand where you can put more water and snacks there. TV remote. And here is my PS5. And usually, I don't play my PS5 often, so usually when I want to play up here, I use my Nintendo Switch. The screen is downstairs, but I plug it in and the HDMI cable is already plugged in over there. And then it connects to this huge TV and I can play with my controller, so peace.
All right, Noah showed you guys the upstairs. I want to show you guys the complete. This is one of the projects here. This is my baby here. That's another junk, another car, this car. So we got stuff. If you guys need a car, let me know, hit me up. So we wanted to show you guys the complete garage. So the garage is officially complete. Like nothing else needs to be done except add-ons. If you want to, if we have a chance, or if we want to add on anything else, we have a detailer over there. Hey buddy. So basically the siding's done and the paint is done, the gutters are done. If you look this way, the lights are on. You got the floodlight, the little light, all the can lights are in, basically hooked up. The trim is painted, the colors, I mean everything's done. Doors, windows, everything's complete. Nice color match. My wife picked it out, but yeah, she has really good taste, and I like it. It matches. The doors never got repainted because they came like that, and I figured that they will work with basically they'll work with any color. So if you even whatever color it is, like this one here, it works just fine, except you had to do the trim, so it looks really nice. And then these can lights or drip light, whatever they're called, they're from Lowe's for like 60 bucks whatever each. They're not expensive. So we got 1 2 3 4, and then just simple lights. And then also I had installed this brush here, which goes along basically on both sides all the way to the top, and the very top, on top of the head. Basically the reason is because all the bugs were getting in and it was just a disaster. Like you would have to clean up the garage every day during the summer. They're just crawling in. So now we installed them a while ago, before because we haven't made a video in like 3 or 4 months, but we installed them then and we had a big difference, like almost no bugs. They still get in, but not basically 90%. So if you ever need this whole set came basically matched. They give you more and a longer piece on top. All you have to do is trim. It's an aluminum one. You can use any grinder, just zap, and that's it. Installation is really easy, except we did it with these boards were already on here, and what we did is just match it up to here. It goes all the way in like that. So basically it's really helpful. It's really nice. So aluminum, cut off whatever you need. They have a kit for every garage, like whatever size garage you have, you can match it or tell them what you need and they'll send you for 1 door, 2 door, 3 door, whatever. So that's that. And then colors, we're gonna back up here. You can see it farther away. Yeah, it's complete, official. I can officially say it's complete. I did sidewalks, you guys probably seen, and also we did the stone on sides because it was such a big drop and the rain would wash everything off. So this breaks up the rain, and the flow, basically we did the whole side all the way to the street and on the other side as well. And I still have some leftover rock for later, because buying a bulk in bulk is cheaper than just buying by 1 or 2 tons. Yeah, the color right here, same thing here. Light here, little floodlight. They come on automatically, sensors right there. We got our cameras. All the outlets that are outside, they have covers. Everything's finished here. Back is the same pretty much. All the gutters are installed, so it's really nice to have it finally painted, and looks like you know, it's taken care of, not rotting on the bottom, because I didn't put siding on for longest time because one thing after another. So just trying to fix it and get it done and properly. The soffit has holes in it for the ventilation, and cans I have 1, 2, 3 basically, so 3 on the front and 3 back, and then 2 on the sides. Not too many, because it's when you light it up it's just enough. Oh, another Camry right there, another hoopty ready to go today. Very clean Camry, 141,000 miles, very good, runs good. We just had to paint the front bumper here, that was damaged a little bit, and then rear quarter panel had a dent in it. We changed the bumper, put a new one in the back, and the quarter panel got Bondo just a little bit on the edge. That's it. Everything was, it was still running and driving when we got it. Let's go to the back. So I did the rocks here on that. We got some parts need to go, and then rocks here. I completely covered this area with the grass, the blanket thing, like it's like a weed blocker or whatever, and then put the rock on top, because this was useless. It was just red soil. This is all the leaves, but it was just red soil, and you had weeds growing out, and we can't, there's no reason for it. And then have this here, made a little little area right there. I'm gonna add more weed blocker and put all rocks right here, so I can bring in like our camper out right here, or like a car or a trailer, just kind of like put it right here, so it's easier to get, and it's closer, not like in the bushes. Also here, this is finished. The sauna, you guys already know. This area I got these chairs brought here. Also I built this, I don't think I talked about this. I got a Rubbermaid 300-gallon tub from Tractor Supply, and basically built a box around it, which is an inexpensive way to go, because if you buy jacuzzi, it's like 10 grand. A normal nice jacuzzi is between like $8,000 to $10,000, and then you can buy one for 20 if you want. But for doing a plunge, cold plunge after sauna or just randomly, this is perfect, because if this gets damaged, it's just sitting there. We got the beams on the bottom, it's like 4x4s or 6x6. We built the floor, and a guy, carpenter, just came and built this for like a few $100s, whatever, material, and then, you know, some labor, which was really inexpensive. I still have to put those things, that sticky things that go on the steps, so you don't slip and hurt yourself. And then I'm gonna build a little post here and put like a little handle. But this thing is perfect, because you throw that out, this is like $250 or $300 in the store. You can just change it out, take it out, dump the water, take it out completely, whatever. I made a service door right here. There's a dump right there, all the little plug that goes there on the side to dump the water. These are just things for like a pill, Clorox pill, whatever. We just store things in the back here, or on the side. I mean, this will close up like that, and that's it. And then the pump, also I drilled holes. There's a exit, and the entrance right here, so it sucks the water, filters it through this little pump right here. I'll show you guys. Also another door. This is the other side. If you see, there's a little pump. I bought that on Amazon for like $100. You have water filtering all throughout the whole day, and it also has a timer which you can turn off pretty much anytime. You know, put it for 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. It's increments in 2, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 hours, or 24. So it'll just shut off, and that's it. It's really convenient, because you don't have to run it all the time. You run it like a day before you use it, or a couple hours, since there's a pail over there and a little rubber ducky. And that's it. That's a cold plunge. Basically, for $1,200 you have this completely built, versus $10,000 bath. Or you can just take a metal one and put it on a concrete and use it, but this is more nicer, convenient, looks like a jacuzzi. Also went on Amazon and bought a cover for it right here, just by the size, and that's it. pretty much the same thing, but it's officially done, complete. That's Noah riding. There he goes. Just ride properly and safe. He has all the helmet, the gloves, the goggles, everything. He's all safe, so all good.
Sir.
Being super safe. Safety first, right?
Yes. Look both ways before crossing.
Look both ways, yeah. Even though you're allowed to go places, you gotta look both ways. Okay, bye. You're gonna turn around, go that way?
Oh, even a little bag.
Even the fanny pack.
For my phone.
For the phone, for a bottle of water when it's hot.
Okay, well, we'll see you in the next video. Have your family Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We'll see you in the next episode.